So good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start the new chapter that is My Family. In this chapter, I'm going to explain you about the types of family. Okay. So mostly we have two types of family. Okay. But before starting this topic, I want to tell you that what is family. Okay. First of all, you should know that what is family. So, what is family? A family refers to a group of people who live together in the house. Like you are living with your parents, with your grandparents. Okay, so that is called your family. Okay, when group of people live together in a house, that is called a family. Like see this picture, there are so many people who live together. Okay, and we call them family. Parents and children live together in a family. We get care and love from our family. Okay, so same thing is given that we parents and children live together in a family. And suppose if you fall sick, okay, children, if you fall sick, then who will take care of you? Your parents. Okay, your family will take care of you. Okay, they give you love. Okay, so that is what is the important thing in this? That family is very important in our life. Now, come to the next point. Let's meet your family. My father name is. So in this column, what you have to do, children, you have to write your father's name. Okay. And in the second one, you have to write your mother's name. Okay. My father's name is Mr. And you have to write your father's name. In the same way, my mother's name is Mrs. And after that, you will write your mother name in this column. Is it clear to all of you? Now, come to next. Do you have any brother or sister? Write their name below. So children, if you have any brother or sister, then you have to write their name in these columns. Like my brother's name is, okay? And here you have to write your brother name. In the second one, my sister's name is, okay? In the next column, you have to write the name of your sister. If you have any sister, then you should write the name of your sister in this column. Clear? Now, move to next. Do all of you have the same last name, children? Do all of you have the same last name? No, we don't have same last name. Okay, but the member of the family members have the same last name. Okay, like suppose I will explain you this by giving an example. Family members usually have the same last name. This is the family name. Okay, what is given in this? Like your last name. Suppose I will take one example, like your name is Aryav Avasthi. Okay, Aryav Avasthi. So, Avasthi is the family name. Okay, what is the family name? Avasthi. Okay, like my name is Vibha Rai. So, what is my family name? Rai. Okay, the last one. The last one is known as, the last name is known as your family name. So, we have different types of family name, but all the members in the family have the same last name. Okay, suppose your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, all of have the same last name. Okay, my family name is, okay, so I will write here Rai. Okay, because my last name is Rai. In the same way, children, you will write your last name in this. Okay, and that is called your family name. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now, come to next. Okay, next topic is sibling. Okay, children, next one is sibling. Okay, so what is sibling? What is sibling? Our own brother or sister is known as sibling. Okay, our own brother and sister is known as sibling. ओके जो आपके भाई बहन होंगे उन्हें हम क्या बोलेंगे? सिबलिंग. Cousin, what is the meaning of cousin? A child of one's uncle or aunt. Okay. Suppose, what is the meaning of cousin? Suppose, if you have any uncle or aunt, okay, आप लोग बोलते हैं ना चाचा चाची, है ना? So, the child of uncle and aunt are your cousin. Okay, your own brother and sister is called sibling, and the children of your uncle and aunt is known as your cousin. Sorry for the interruption. So I hope it is clear to you. Okay, if you have any brother or sister, that is called your sibling, and the children of your uncle and aunt are known as your cousin. Okay, they are called cousin. Now come to next part. Sorry, because of network issue, it happens. Okay. Now come to next topic, parental grandparents. Okay. Now children, I'm going to explain you about two more things, parental grandparents and maternal grandparents. Okay. So what is parental grandparents? Parental grandparents are your father's parents. Okay. Your father parents are known as your parental grandparents. Okay. जो आपके पापा के पेरेंट्स होंगे उन्हें आप क्या बोलोगे? पेरेंटल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. ओके. और आप उनको डिफरेंट नेम से लाइक दादा दादी आप ऐसे बोलते हो. सो योर फादर्स पेरेंट आर योर पेरेंटल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. ओके. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट, मैटरनल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. मैटरनल मीन्स माँ. Okay, maternal grandparents are your mother's parents. Okay, जो आपके मम्मी के पेरेंट्स होंगे, ठीक है, जिन्हें आप क्या बोलते हो? नाना नानी. ओके. सो जो आपके मम्मी के पेरेंट्स होंगे उन्हें आप क्या बोलोगे? मैटरनल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. क्लियर? सो मैटरनल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आर योर मदर्स पेरेंट्स. Okay, I hope it is clear to you that what is parental grandparents and what is maternal grandparents. Your father's parents are known as parental grandparents and your mother's parents are known as maternal grandparents. Clear? Now, move to next one. What do you call them? Grandfather, grandmother. Okay, what you call them? Your father parents. Okay, your father parents. If he, okay, your father parents, what you call? Your grandfather, dada. What you call? Your father's mother, grandmother. ओके. ग्रैंडमदर को आप क्या बोलते हो? दादी. ओके. जो आपके फादर की मम्मी है, ओके, मदर है, वो आपकी क्या लगेंगी? ग्रैंडमदर. लेकिन आप उनको किस नाम से बुलाते हो? दादी. ओके. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट, योर मदर्स पेरेंट. ओके. जो आपके मदर के पेरेंट हैं, ओके, ग्रैंडफादर, उन्हें आप क्या बोलोगे? जो आपके ग्रैंडफादर लगेंगे? नाना. ओके. और ग्रैंडमदर को क्या बोलोगे? Nani. Okay, clear? So your father's parent, grandfather, dada, grandmother, dadi, your mother's parent, what you call them? Nana, Nani. Clear? Now, come to next. Types of family. So children, there are two types of family. How many types of family? Two. Okay. First one is nuclear family and the second one is joint family. Okay. There are two types of family. First one, nuclear family, and the second one is joint family. So one by one, we will discuss about that. Children, nuclear family. First of all, we will discuss about the nuclear family. See here. First of all, we will discuss about the nuclear family. So see here, children, nuclear family, a family in which parents and their children live together. Okay. And it is also called small family. So nuclear family is also known as small family. Okay. Nuclear family को और हम किस क्या बोलते हैं? स्मॉल फैमिली. व्हाई? बिकॉज less number of members are living together in this type of family. Okay, न्यूक्लियर फैमिली में जो फैमिली मेंबर्स क्या होते हैं? कम होते हैं. ठीक है, इसलिए हमें इसे क्या कहते हैं? स्मॉल फैमिली. So now see who is living in nuclear family? A family in which parents and their children live together. Okay, इस फैमिली में कौन कौन रहता है साथ में? पेरेंट्स एंड देयर चिल्ड्रन. ओके, पेरेंट्स लिव विद देयर चिल्ड्रन. This type of family is known as nuclear family. Okay, and what is the other name of nuclear family? Small family. Okay, nuclear family is also known as small family. Now, children, you can also tell me or you can identify. You can also try to identify that you are living in nuclear family or joint family. Okay, tell your parents that you are living in nuclear family or joint family. Now come to next topic, joint family. A family in which grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, and grandchildren live together is called joint family. It is also called big family. So children, joint family is also known as big family. Why it is known as big family? Because so many members are living in this type of family. Okay. कौन कौन रहता है इसमें? See who is living in this type of family? A family in which grandparents, okay, your parents, your uncle and aunt, and grandchildren live together. Okay, so in this type of family, in joint family, your grandparents, your parents, your uncle, aunt, and all the grandchildren live together. So that's why this type of family is known as big family. I hope it is clear to you, and all of you today tell your parents that you are living in which type of family. Okay, in which type of family you are living. Now, move to next. Now, our family is very important for us. Okay, in starting, I told you that family is very important for us. Okay, why? It gives us love and support. It gives us food and clothes. It keeps us safe and healthy. It teaches us manners and values. We should love and respect our family members. Okay, so children, in our life, our family is very important for us. Okay, yes, in our life, our family is very important for us. Why? Because when we need in health, when we fall sick, our family always give us love, support, and care when we need it. Okay, clear? Family teaches us good manners, values. Okay, they protect us from all the things. Okay, they protect us, they take care of us. Okay, so that's why family is very important in our life. Now, children, we will discuss some questions related to this topic. Okay, so one by one, you can tell me the answer. Okay, you can't tell me the answer, but I will explain you. Okay, now see here. The first one, family is made up of tailor, birds, animals, parents, and children. So children, you know very well that family is made up of parents and children. A big family is also known as, just now I told you, a big family is also known as joint family. Okay, joint family. We get dash from our family. What we get from our family? Food, love, support, all of these. Children, we get all of these things. We get love, food, love, and support. All these things we get from our family. So the correct answer is all of these. Now come to next. Family in which grandparents and their children live together is called nuclear family, joint family, small family, none of above. So the correct answer is joint family. Okay, the family in which grandparents also live, that is called joint family. Now come to next. Children of your uncle and aunt are your children of your uncle and aunt. Children, just now I told you that your own brother and sisters are known as your sibling. Okay, but the children of your uncle and aunt, they are known as your cousin. Okay, they are known as your cousin. Now move to next. Sorry. So move to next slide. Okay, so in this one, what you have to do, you have to put the tick in front of the correct one and you have to put the cross in front of the wrong statement. So uncle, aunt, cousin live together in a joint family. This statement is true. So put the tick in front of this. A nuclear family is a small family. This is also correct. Yes, nuclear family is also known as small family. Family give us love and care. Yes, this is also correct. Family give us love and care. A family can be big or small. Family big भी हो सकती है, small भी हो सकती है. This is also correct. Grandparents are not a part of a joint family. क्या grandparents joint family का part नहीं होते हैं? So this statement is wrong. Okay, grandparents joint family का part होते हैं. Okay, I hope this topic is clear to all of you. And if you have any confusion in this topic, you can tell me in the next class. Okay, or you can give some comment. Okay, if you have any confusion in any topic. So children, very soon we will meet in the next class. Okay, till then all of you take care. Thank you.